Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 Solana meme coins by market cap. We're going to start with dogwifhat at number 1, followed by BONK, POPCAT, BOME, Mew, PONKE, Billy, MYRO, GIGA, and then we're ending with MICHI at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Dogwifhat, WIF. Okay, so where's WIF right now? So for WIF, we have a target over here, $1.35. However, there is buying pressure coming in over here. So I'm like, okay, bros, is this the reversal? We don't know. At what point will we consider 135 to be invalidated? Yeah, take out the highs over here. Then 135 is invalidated. However, at the same time, we could be building mountains over here, right? We could be building mountains as we potentially head lower. This could be a descending triangle, or this could be a head and shoulders. Again, we're still not entirely sure. We could just, zip down out of nowhere. But we are aware that buying pressure is really coming in for WIF. So potentially this could invalidate our 135 target by taking out all of the clusters of buys over here. And if this were to happen, we will be anticipating an inverse head and shoulders. Woohoo! Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout! Breakout to where? We're expecting $10, close to $10. So if and when this happens, we will have targets as we continue higher for potentially continue higher for WIF. So we will cross the bridge when the time comes. However, WIF is already at 2 billion. I mean, if you were to expect it to do a 10x, right, it will be a 20 billion meme coin. So I'm like, okay, I don't know about 20 billion. Even 4 billion is like 6 billion. but we'll take it as it comes, right? So at the moment, we still don't have the confirmation yet that we could be continuing higher, and we are anticipating potentially a little bit lower. So that's our take for dogwifhat. BONK against USDT. Here we are for BONK. BONK, we look at it on Gate. So for BONK, okay, BONK is a bit of a... Okay, BONK had a very nice fall. And after that, it just went bananas. And after that, there is a higher high over here. So I don't really like what I see. I don't really like higher highs because I feel like there's weakness, potential weakness as we continue lower. Again, even this is higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Right? The daily is turning into a shooting star. So I don't really like what I'm seeing on BONK. I suspect that, BONK could also get a head and shoulders over here, and BONK could be crossing the skinny pink line. So if this happens for BONK, then that's it. However, if BONK stays above the skinny pink line, right, and we form some sort of an ascending over here, value 1, value 2, value 3, breakout! If this happens, great. But as it stands, we're getting higher highs. So this is looking to me like a rising wedge. And rising wedges usually break lower. Preceding trend is bearish, subsequent trend, bearish. So as it stands, we are still not entirely sure what the BONK whales are trying to do. So we're going to have to take things one step at a time for BONK. POPCAT. POPCAT is popping up. POPCAT against USD on Gate. So again, POPCAT is up. But are we going to close the day with a shooting star? We don't know. Looking at POPCAT, right, the big picture for POPCAT. POPCAT is super overbought. But at the same time, we are still fairly new, you see. And yeah, I don't really like what I'm seeing. Right, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Sure, this confirms that we're in an uptrend. Higher lows as well. But yeah, no man. If this turns into a shooting star, this could be very bad for POPCAT. But as it stands, yeah, and from a trading standpoint, I'm not too sure. So there you go. Boom! BOME! Book of memes. If you look at book of memes on Binance, again, nothing much for us to do. Again, rising channel over here. Preceding trend is bearish. Subsequent, bearish. You can keep finding, rising channel, rising wages here and there. Again, nothing much for us to work with. If BOME rise up to this level, we consolidate here a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, we might get ourselves an inverse head and shoulders. Then we could be taking trades for BOME. But as it stands, we still don't have confirmation yet. So first challenge is we need to take out these highs. Take out these highs, consolidate a little bit, continue higher, take out these highs, take a break, and potentially, yeah, see a big breakout. So there are a few levels, right, before the final boss, and then you win, become champion. But as it stands, we'll take things one step at a time. For BOME. Cat in a dog's world. Okay, I like Mew. Let me tell you why I like Mew. Because if you look very carefully, right, Mew is in a very, very big accumulation. Very big accumulation, right? And I can already see the ABCs. Can you see it? Can you see it, boys and girls? This is an A, B, C, D, E. Something like that. You can also take just this consolidation over here. A, B, C, D, E. Oh my god. And then we could see a breakout for Mew. So if I were to put on a trade, right, I would rather put on a trade in a coin that is, I mean, with clear chart patterns, and it's not too high in terms of its market cap. But of course, we'll take whatever that comes. And as it stands, Mew has huge potential. Huge potential for a move higher, right? We have been in consolidation for the better part of 108 days, right? That was a super duper spike. And then we've been going sideways, which is good. This gives us a chance to make a move for Mew. But the only question we have is this the low? Is this the low? Will these two lows hold? Could we still zip a little bit lower, right, to this area before seeing a rally? Right. We could still take out these lows, but not take this out, right? Stop short of taking this. And this could still be a valid squeeze. And we could still see Mew head higher. Something to ponder. Something to ponder. So maybe we head towards the resistance. We consolidate a little bit, and then that's it. Breakout for Mew. Oh, so we'll come back to Mew. We'll probably have a chance to see it before it does the big break towards the upside. So the coin of the day is actually PONKE. So if you look at PONKE, we have already broken out of the inverse head and shoulders. So PONKE, in my opinion, is bullish, and PONKE is heading higher. We have a target over here. Ta-da! Fresh out of the oven for you at 96 cents. We're at 48 cents, so this is another 100%, but 97. I think we're going to head towards $1, maybe even breach $1. But PONKE looks to me like it's going higher. So this is a very high quality chart pattern. Very high quality to me. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. It's very obvious. And we're already out, right? So that's why this is something that you would want to learn, right? Take out the highs over here, which we have already done. After you take out the highs, we want to see some sort of a consolidation before continuation towards the upside for PONKE, right? Head towards the support, and after that, reverse back up. So we are having good feelings about PONKE. Sure, things could, continue lower as well, right? And we could extend the accumulation, like what happened for BTC. BTC had an inverse head and shoulders. Okay, let me just show you what I mean, right? Things don't always happen the way that you expect it to. If you look over here, right, and if we go for a replay, you go back in history, this looks like an inverse head and shoulders. Beautiful! Textbook perfect. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, right. Breakout! Oh, this would be great. This would be absolutely great. But it didn't come at all. It didn't come at all. Right. Where was the breakout? What breakout? There was no breakout. There was no breakout. So we dropped lower. We cleared all the clusters of cells here, here, here. Anyone who had a stop loss here, a lot of people got stopped out. Right. This is what you call a liquidity grab. Liquidity sweep. So yeah, BTC is back up right now. Going back to PONKE. So if you look at PONKE, it's the same freaking thing. It's the same freaking thing. Right? Inverse head and shoulders. Oh, okay. There's a difference here. We've already taken out the highs. You see this? We've taken out the highs. So now we're anticipating this to happen before continuing higher. This is a very strong break of the resistance line. So we're expecting this resistance once broken becomes support. We're expecting this support line to hold, right? If we break the support line and we continue lower, then that's it. We consider the 96 cents target to be invalidated. Sure, we could lengthen the consolidation. But as it stands, 96 cents is on for PONKE. PONKE! Billy? Billy against USDT. We look at it on Gate. Okay, there's nothing much for Billy because Billy just came onto the scene not too long ago. Right, 29 days ago. But Billy is already at 168 mil market cap. Crazy stuff, right? So this is Billy. Anything for Billy? Yep. So what do? We move on. MYRO! So if you look at MYRO, MYRO has done a lot. MYRO is up in a way 8 months ago. Okay, we take this one. So if you look at MYRO, we've already done so much, right? Let's just take it from here to the top. 19662. 19,000%, 20,000%. It's crazy. Crazy. Absolute crazy bananas. Any high quality tradable chart pattern for us? Nope. Even over here, not really that clear. So MYRO is not our kind of trade. Moving on will be Gigachad. Giga. Okay, so if you look at Giga, we are also, yeah, up. Again, there's a consolidation. Do you see this? Consolidation here, up. But there's a tricky trick, right? You would expect once we break, right? Okay, yo, bro. You would expect once we break, don't come back down, right? But it came back down, and then went up, and then came down again, and then it's up again. So it's like, okay, from a trading standpoint, this is quite all over the place. So yeah, again, we have to move on from Gigachad. MICHI. Anything for MICHI? Looking at MICHI, again, 3 months ago. So it's fairly new. And MICHI could be in a big consolidation, right? Could be. We are not too sure if this is a double bottom though. So yeah, in terms of from a chart pattern perspective, we don't see it for MICHI, so we're just gonna have to move on. SLERF. Okay, SLERF might have something going on. We're not too sure, but if you were to look very closely, right, at the potential for SLERF, we are in a falling channel. You can just draw a resistance line across and a support line here. Something like that, right? I mean, of course, we could still hit lower. We're at 20 cents. And the question you want to ask is, are we going to continue lower towards 10 cents? Or is this it, right? There's already if you look over here, there's already a hammer over here on the daily. It's a daily hammer. So maybe we could be breaking the resistance line, right? And even if you were to break, I would assume that it will only come in August. But this is great because the whales of SLERF, they're giving us a chance to make an entry. Of course, if the opportunity presents itself. But as it stands, everything is very bearishy, if you look very closely, this is a mountain range. Mountain, breakdown. Rising channel, breakdown. It looks to me like another rising channel. Could be another breakdown. So be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for SLERF. It's just not that clear yet. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Solana meme coins. There are only 2 coins to look at, MIU and PONKE. PONKE is already out, so if it's me, I would be looking for entries for PONKE at the moment. Of course, you need to have proper risk management. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.